Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. So I'm rebuilding the nose on the Puss Moth. As you can see, the whole nose separated. I've gutted all this out, and I gutted out the other side also. The motor mount is in relatively very good condition, and so is the cowling, which is made of foam, which I may actually end up tearing off also because I want to rebuild this whole section here. Now, the rest of the plane, parts of it are foam, but parts of it are wood. I remember putting wood sheeting here, but I never put wood sheeting here, which I may actually end up changing. I still have to add the cross members, which I'm doing it with this piece of wood here. I'm gonna build up this area and then again add wood sheeting in this area, or maybe a block of wood and just kind of shave it down. And maybe even put like some cross members like to kind of shore up this whole area. Just to give it some strength. Because as you can see, if we turn it around, this is how the plane looks. The only thing that's holding this part in, and I remember now, when I did this whole plane, I didn't really do much in the way of shoring up, because I really didn't know how much weight was going to be put on that. I had the battery placed in here, and then I put this piece of board here, and I'm still piecing the plane back together. So I think I'm going to end up just removing the cowling altogether and rebuilding the cowling. I mean, I know how I did it, but I just don't like the way it kind of turned out, you know? So, you know what, let's, while you guys are here on video right now, I'm gonna peel it all off. Gotta build it off so I can rebuild it. So this whole section will be rebuilt. And then instead of putting foam board, I'll put ply all the way across. That way it's more strength. What I will do is maybe double these stringers here and then have the ply kind of pop out a little bit to give it a little bit more depth. And that's it for right now. That's what I'm gonna do. I think that'll work a lot better than what I had before. So, yeah, I think that'll work. It'll be a little while before I get it back in the air, maybe about a month or so. But I'll try to make you guys aware of how it's going back together. I got the wheel back on. I still have the wheel collar. I was able to find it when it popped off. So, all right, guys. Catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.